Hey guys, Rasmus here, back with a 3 package mail day. I was kind of lucky in getting these packages on the same day, I guess, or maybe unlucky, I should say, because one of them is from Klutzenchara, from the Black Friday breaks that I did. So that's almost 2 months ago, and I got them today, which is Friday the 16th. And I also got a package from COMC, and I believe that one was actually also from Black Friday. So both of those packages took almost 2 months. So that's yay. And the third package is actually a care package um, from my good buddy Reborn over on the Swedish forums. I asked him what he wanted for a couple of cards. He didn't respond, and all of a sudden, here's a package. Magic. Anyways, I'll dive right into it. I'll start off with the care package. I already opened up the packages because it would just take way too long if I were to open them live. Knife. Careful, careful. Yes, there you go. I saw these, and I actually don't collect the player. And for a short split of a second, I almost thought of starting up a PC with him, because I think it was almost 2 years ago when my buddy was over in Canada for the Floorball Canada Cup, that he met this guy, talked to him, and well, he got his autograph on a poster, I think, or well, this big, I don't know, like the size of my head. It's big. And I saw these cards of this feller, this hockey goalie, and I thought it would be cool to have them. So enough rambling. They are both from Panini Classics 2012-13. The first one is the regular of Kevin Weeks. Really sweet looking auto, actually. You can see it even better here with the social signatures. So thank you very much, Reborn. I do appreciate it. I will, however, send something back. So you have been warned. Next up, the package from COMC. And as always, or as I tried to do from COMC, is get everything top loaded and sleeved already, so that I don't have to, well, purchase any extra things or protection. This lots of cards, most of it or almost everything of one of my PC guys, Brandon Barnes. I'm just going to go through them really quick. A couple of different refractors from the regular tops. The purple, those are all from 2014. I believe this one is from 2013. The black, numbered to 62. Purple, not numbered, regular base. Gold bordered, numbered to 2013. Green sparkly, some kind of bluish. I think it's the Walmart blue or something like that. I'm not sure. This could be the blue wrapper redemption or whatever it's called. Red bordered and a gold mini, numbered to 62. And then into Topps Chrome 2013. These are actually probably from Topps Updates. Yeah, they must be. From Topps Chrome 2013, the regular base card, purple refractor, regular refractor, orange, and the blue number 2 199. I also picked up the Prism from 2012 and the Prism also from 2012, and from 2014, let's see here, Heritage, the base card. And also in the package, for some reason I decided to pick this one up because I heard a couple of good things about him, and it was kind of cheap actually, so I picked it up. An auto of Colton Sissons or whatever his name is. An auto from Draft Picks and Prospects or something like that. Heroes and Drafts, yeah, in the game, you know. So yeah, and over to the breaks from CNC. There's a bunch here that I need to go through later, because some I don't even remember that I purchased. Well, it's been 2 months, so no wonder. Like this one, I had no idea. This probably is a hit from Hitless Team or something. Dan Hemhughes, or however you say his pretty name, from Pinnacle. And Antoine Vermette, number 299, a jersey piece from whatchamacallit, Dominion, actually. I didn't know that. A die cut of Prince Fielder. This is going to be just, I'm just picking him up as I see him. I do believe they are they are from Hockey Breaks and a couple of boxes of Topps Chrome and Bowman Chrome baseball. So let's continue. Decoys! Always fun. Refractor of Kadir. Cespedes for the rest of us. J. Bruce Top Shelf. This is a neat one. Do not understand why they didn't put this one in a sleeve and top loader, because it's a Atomic of Brett Gardner, numbered 5 of 10. Nice shine and sparkly sparkle. X-Fractor of Brad Miller and Jonathan Schwab, something. From SPX, Jonas Brodin, rookie card. A Sign of the Times of Pekarine. I'm not sure what. SP Authentic. Oh, wow. This I actually remember, because I'm not sure what kind of break it was, but I had the Capitals, and that's all I got. Hot rookies, Tom Wilson. Yay! Lots of thumbs today. And we got this stack to go. Let's see here. Many stupid die cuts. A refractor of CJ Cron. Iwakuma. Pujols 89, I believe. Romo, regular refractor. Shin-Soo Choo, blue, number 199. Ryan Zimmerman. Shin-Soo Choo, X-Fractor. Nice auto. Andrew Lambeau. Nice. Auto rookie base card variation refractor. George Springer. Could be fun. Could be fun. Shelby Miller refractor. And a X-Fractor of Justin Upton. We go over to Bowman Chrome. Stupid fire die cut. George Springer. Another mini. Is it Carlos Correa? Not bad. I heard this guy is kind of good. I'm not sure, because I don't really have that much info on prospects, and yeah, you know. Refractor auto of Michael Taylor. Kind of sweet. number to 500. Mike Trout, 89. Jonathan Lucroy, refractor. Nice. Cargo, die cut. Some more hockey, private signings of Niklas Jensen. Jordan Schroeder, Future Watch Auto. Frank Corrado, Hot Rookies. Roberto Luongo, Ultimate Collections 11-12 actually. Cody Hodgson, Auto. What are these called? Shining Stars, of course. Blue, not numbered, of John Tavares. John Tavares. Young Guns, Griffin Reinhardt. A dented Boone Jenner. I don't know if you can see it down there. Marquee Rookies. Ray Bork, Silver Scripts from Series 1, 13-14. Gregory Polanco, Die Cut Mini, number 2/150. Mo Rivera, Sparkly. Jeff McNeil Auto. Dueling die cuts of Abreu and Soler. Refractor, Andrew Thurman. Adrian Gonzalez, purple, number 2/150. Juan Lagares, refractor, number 2/500, yeah. And Jake Virtanen, future draft prospects. That's all I have, folks. 3 awesome packages. It's a shame it takes that long for big packages to get over here. 2 months, that's a bit much. Thank you very much to Reborn. Snooze. And thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, or do whatever you want. Thanks. Bye.